Hi, this is Jeff from Aquabot, and today we'll be unboxing the Breeze 4-wheel drive. One of the best things I like about this cleaner is that it's an in-ground pool cleaner, low maintenance, 2-year warranty, it's equipped with Aquabot swivel, and it has top-loading filter baskets. First thing we're going to pull out of this box is the power supply. The power supply is a programmable power supply, and it's durable. So even if a little bit of dirt and stuff gets on it, it's not a problem. Next, we're going to pull out the actual cleaner. 4-wheel drive is not only a nice looking cleaner, but it's true 4-wheel drive. These wheels run at the same time. For a little bit sleeper surfaces, it's equipped with PVA brushes that'll help really stick it to the walls and the floor. Lastly, we're going to pull out the manual, warranty registration card, which you can go online, fill out, and it should take you about 5 minutes. We've also included floats. This machine does the floors and the wall. If you find that the cleaner is not reaching up as high as you might want it to, you can always install the floats, and that should help out. This cleaner is equipped with a 60-foot cable, patented Aquabot swivel to help prevent cable tangling. And if we come in closer just a little, you'll see that the Aquabot Breeze 4-wheel drive comes with filter baskets, and you'll be able to see inside to know when the debris should be emptied and how full it's going to get. Another great feature is the rotating scrubbing brush. This helps pick up loose dirt and debris. And that is the Breeze 4-wheel drive.